Good afternoon. We have a really special opportunity today, and I wanted to walk you around our Ford E350 7.3 liter diesel ambulance with only 117,000 miles, which as you might imagine is quite low mileage for this year. And I wanted to show you that this ambulance is in really good shape, I would say, actually. The body doesn't have any major dents or damage. You can expect some normal wear for the age, but for a 93, this is in pretty good shape here. And so a little bit of discoloration along the bottom and the top, but the middle of the van, the majority of it is in very good shape. The tires have 90% tread or more. I mean, basically full tread. So the front doesn't have any major damage, and I'll take a peek at the engine for you. Bear with me. Sorry for the rough camera skills, but it does have a engine block heater. It's a 7.3 liter, as I mentioned, and brake fluid is full. It drives quite nicely, and I'll take you for a quick spin after I show you the back. But plenty of power, drives really well. The suspension is tight and fires right up. So I'll show you the interior here. Everything that you would imagine and need in an ambulance. I'm not a medical man myself, so I can't name half of this stuff, but I just want you to see what's in here. All kinds of lights and buttons. Oxygen, vacuum, vents, and then a door to get into the cockpit, which I'll get in from the outside. Stretcher here. Here we go. So I'll take you inside. It does have power windows and door locks. Here is the instrument cluster. It does have the CB, and also you can turn the battery off when you're not using it, so the battery life is conserved. So if I turn this here, nothing happens when I turn the key. But when I flip the battery switch, you see, it comes to life. So 117,000 miles. And I'll have my wife demonstrate some of the lights for you. Yeah, side. Let's have a quick siren, just 1 second. Wow, sorry about that. Just wanted to show you that it works. Okay, so let's take it for a quick spin. Fires right up. No issues, no indication lights. Engine runs very smooth, strong. Put the foot on the brake, idle goes down, put it into gear. I'll take you down the road here. Lots of power. Sorry, I received a call while I was filming, so starting over here. The van has already started, I'm on the road, and I just want to show you that it drives well. As I accelerate through the gears, it's got plenty of power, shifts well and shifts smoothly. lots of power, does what it should do. Steering is straight, I'm not holding it, and it's not pulling one direction or another. I'm going around some potholes here, and as I hit some of these potholes, the suspension is tight, does not rattle, does not make any unwanted noises. The van drives very well, or the ambulance, and as I step on the brakes here, the brakes are extremely smooth, extremely sensitive, so they don't vibrate, they don't seem warped, they do exactly what they should do. And this van really drives very, very well for the age, much better than average. So please call us with any questions. My name is Marcus, and my number is 617-285-2966. Thank you.